Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of God. I am your teacher, Miss Mitchell. Remember students, which book is this? Very good. This is your English book. So, you all have to take out your English books with me. Remember what we have studied from this book? हमने इस book से क्या पढ़ा था? Do you remember? Yes, we have studied a story, and the story was about a baby elephant. Here is your story, and the name of the story is Free in the Forest. What is the name of the story? Free in the Forest. We have studied in the story about a baby elephant. हमने एक baby elephant के बारे में पढ़ा था. You all remember? Very good. In our last video, we have done our copy work. And what we have done in our copies? Can anyone tell me? Very good. हमने क्या किया था अपनी copies में? Very good. We have done question answers. Do you remember what we have done? We have done question answers in our copies. Today we will revise it again. So here are your questions. Your question number 1 is, who was Juby? Remember, I have told you that you have to put question mark every time at the end of the answer. No, at the end of the question. Very good. Very good, class. So your answer is, Juby was the baby elephant. Very good. And at the end of the answer, you have to put full stop. Very good. Your question number 2 is, where does Bhola and Banu live? Yes, here is your answer. In village. What is the answer? Say it with me. In village. Very good. Your question number 3 is, where does Juby likes to live? Do you remember? Very good. Your answer is in forest. What is the answer? In forest. Very good. Have you done it in your neat copies, everyone? Very good. So everyone, have you done it in your copies? Very good. When you will send me your copies, I will check them and I will give you stars. You want stars? Everyone? So you have to do your homework neatly, okay? This was our previous homework. Today we will do something new. Are you all ready? Very good. So take your pencils in your hands and open your copies with me. First of all, what you have to do, you have to draw a margin line over here like this. Can you see? This is a margin line. First of all, you have to draw a margin line like this. After this, you will write a date over here like this. What is the date? 22nd April 2021. What is the date? 22nd April 2021. This is your third lecture, okay? And what is the day today? What is the day today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. You remember the sound of TH? Th. TH? Th. THU. Th. R. Thur. S. Thurs. Thurs. DAY. Day. Thursday. Say it with me. Thursday. Very good. Here we will write topic. You remember the name of the topic? Very good. The name of the topic is Free in the Forest. What is the name of the topic? Free in the forest. Very good. Today we will write words meanings in our copies. What we will write? We will write words meanings. Very good. So here are some words for you. You can see, and here are the meanings of these words, okay? You will write here words, meanings. Words, meanings, okay? We have 4 words over here. How many words? 4 words. Here are 4 words. We will write meanings, okay? Over here. Now, your number 1 word is cage. You remember this word? Everyone? Yes, we have studied this word in our book. हमने ये word अपनी book में पढ़ा था. You remember? Yes. Cage. कुछ आदमियों ने जूबी को केज में बंद कर दिया था. Some men put Juby in the cage. You remember? Very good. So what is the meaning of cage? Lock up. What is the meaning of cage? Lock up. L-O. Lock. C-K. Lock up. U-P. Up. Lock up. Okay? You remember? जब पुलिस किसी को जेल में बंद करती है, कोई चोर होता है या जब हम कोई गलत काम करते हैं तो पुलिस जब हमें पकड़ती है तो वो हमें कहाँ बंद करती है? लॉकअप में, जेल में. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ केज? लॉकअप. ओके, say it with me. Cage, lock up. Very good. Your second word is pit. What is your second word? Pit. Pit means hole. Pit means hole. Remember I told you, मैंने आपको बताया था कि पिट का मतलब होता है होल. जब ज़मीन में कोई गड्ढा हो या कोई सुराख हो जाए जिसमें जूबी गिरा था, सो पिट का मतलब है होल. What is the meaning of pit? Hole. Very good. Interesting word. Happy. You know the meaning? Very good. What is the meaning of happy? Glad. Khush. What is the meaning of happy? Glad. Khush. Okay? Sad. What is the meaning of sad? Unhappy. What is the meaning of sad? Unhappy. Okay? Unhappy. Unhappy. Okay? So these are your words meanings. Here you will write words and here you will write meanings. You have to draw a line between these words. Okay? Very good. Now we will do some word sentences. Here are some words for you. How many words? We will count them. 1, 2, 3. How many words? 3 words. Here we have 3 words and we have to make sentences. What we have to do? We have to make sentences. Very good. Your number 1 word is forest. Your number 1 word is forest. Forest का मतलब होता है जंगल. So हम forest का sentence बनाएंगे. Animals live in the forest. Animals जंगल में रहते हैं. Very good. Your number 2 word is fall. Fall का मतलब है गिरना. Ali falls down. Ali गिर गया. Ali falls down. Happy. Your third word is happy. Now we will make sentence of this word happy. I am very happy. I am very happy. So this is your work for today. Okay, class? You have to do this work in your neat copies. And remember, you have to do neat work. Okay? Very good, everyone. So, this is your homework. Carefully, you have to write in your neat copies. Thank you, everyone.